The Bosch 1617EVSPK fixed-base variable speed router is a versatile and durable tool that caters to a wide range of woodworking applications. Crafted with an aluminum construction, this router stands out as one of Bosch's most durable offerings. The inclusion of wooden handles on the fixed base and a soft grip handle on the plunge base further enhances user comfort during operation. One of the standout features of this router is its versatility. The kit is designed to handle a broad spectrum of tasks, including precise bit plunging, edge forming, slot cutting, laminate trimming, and dovetail cutting. This adaptability makes it a go-to choice for woodworkers engaged in various projects. The router's ease of use is underscored by rounded hardwood handles that maximize user control. Additionally, the microfine bit depth adjustment allows for precise customization, ensuring accurate and clean results. The built-in constant response circuitry is another notable feature, maintaining a consistent speed throughout the cut, contributing to cleaner and more accurate outcomes. The heart of the Bosch 1617EVSPK is its 12-amp motor, coupled with an adjustable speed dial that empowers users to set the optimal speed between 8,000 and 25,000 RPM. This flexibility and speed control ensures that the router can deliver the required power for a variety of tasks. The package includes both a plunge base and a fixed base, providing users with the tools needed for different applications. The set also comes with 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch collet chucks, a shaft wrench, collet nut wrench, chip shields, and a convenient carrying case for easy storage and transportation. To complement this powerful router, Bosch offers the RBSO1010 Professional Router Bit Set. This comprehensive set includes a variety of popular carbide-tipped bits, all housed in an elegant storage case. The high-quality micrograin carbide tips ensure superior wear resistance and sharp edges, resulting in a high-quality finish. The color-coded bit placements in the packaging facilitate easy identification of bit sizes and types, streamlining the user experience. Furthermore, the set caters to different routing applications with two shank sizes: 1/2 inch for greater stability and reduced vibration, and 1/4 inch for thin profiles. While many users express satisfaction with their purchase, it's crucial to note that the Bosch 1617EVSPK is designed for use with 120-volt power supply. Unfortunately, users in the UK may face compatibility issues, as the router operates on a 60 Hz frequency. It's disappointing to learn that Bosch does not provide a transformer for this purpose. If you are encountering this issue, it's advisable to seek a compatible power solution or explore alternative routers suitable for the UK market.